Welcome to today's lesson. In this video, you're going to upgrade your kitchen English from basic to advanced so you can sound natural, confident, and fluent. Imagine that you are in a real kitchen, cooking a special meal for your family or friends. I will tell you a story, and along the way, I will help you replace simple English with more advanced and natural expressions. Stay with me, speak the sentences aloud, and make this lesson active for yourself. It is Saturday evening, and I am in my kitchen planning to cook a special dinner. Many learners say, "I am cooking food." That is correct, but a more natural sentence is, "I am preparing dinner." Now you say it aloud. I am preparing dinner. First, I look at my vegetables. A basic sentence is, I will cut the vegetables. A more advanced and natural sentence is, I will chop the vegetables. If the pieces are very small, you can say, I will finely chop the vegetables. Say that with me. I will finely chop the vegetables. I take some carrots and potatoes. Instead of saying, I will remove the skin, a better sentence is, I will peel the potatoes and carrots. Now you try. I will peel the potatoes and carrots. I put a pot on the stove. Many learners say, I will start the gas. A more natural sentence is, I will turn on the stove. Say it aloud. I will turn on the stove. I add water to the pot. A basic sentence is, I will make the water very hot. A natural cooking expression is, I will bring the water to a boil. Repeat after me. I will bring the water to a boil. Now the water is very hot. Instead of saying, the water is very hot now, you can say, the water is boiling. Say it. The water is boiling. I add vegetables and spices. Many people say mix it. A more advanced verb is stir it. Even better, you can say stir it gently. Repeat. Stir it gently. When there is very little water left and the food cooks slowly, do not say cook it slowly. Say let it simmer. This is a very natural cooking word. Say it with me. Let it simmer. While the food is cooking, I taste it. Instead of saying it needs more salt, you can say it needs more seasoning. Repeat. It needs more seasoning. Now, let me ask you a question. If your food has no flavor, do you say it is not tasty, or do you say it is bland? Native speakers often say, it is bland. Say that aloud. The food is bland. So I add some herbs and spices. Instead of saying add a little oil, you can say drizzle some oil. Repeat. Drizzle some oil. The vegetables cook for some time. Instead of saying cook until it is brown, you can say cook until it is golden brown. Say it. Cook until it is golden brown. Now, imagine your friend is helping you. A basic sentence is watch this food. A natural sentence is keep an eye on the food. Repeat. Keep an eye on the food. If you want a friend to mix eggs quickly, do not say mix the eggs fast. Say whisk the eggs. Repeat. Whisk the eggs. If you combine ingredients softly, do not say mix slowly. Say Fold the ingredients together. Say it aloud. Fold the ingredients together. Now the dish is almost ready. Instead of saying it is nearly finished, you can say it is almost done. Repeat. It is almost done. The kitchen smells wonderful. A basic sentence is the kitchen smells good. A richer sentence is the kitchen smells amazing. Say it. The kitchen smells amazing. But suddenly I worry. Maybe I cooked it too much. Instead of saying, I cooked it too much, say, I overcooked it. Repeat. I overcooked it. If the food cooks too long on the pan, do not say it is getting black. Say it is burning. Repeat. The food is burning. Now it is time to serve. Instead of saying, put food for everyone, say, serve the food. Or, even better, serve the meal. Repeat. Serve the meal. When offering food, many learners say, take more food. A polite and natural sentence is, help yourself. Say it. Help yourself. If someone is still eating, do not say, eat fast. Say, take your time. Repeat. Take your time. If you want someone to try your dish, do not say, eat and tell. Say, give it a taste, and let me know what you think. Repeat that sentence. Give it a taste, and let me know what you think. Now, imagine your guest loves the food. Instead of saying, I am happy you liked it, you can say, I am glad you enjoyed it. Repeat. I am glad you enjoyed it. After the meal, the kitchen is messy. Instead of saying, I will wash plates, say, I will do the dishes. Repeat. I will do the dishes. If you clean while cooking, do not say, clean during cooking. Say, clean as you go. Repeat. Clean as you go. Before storing food, instead of saying, put it in the fridge, you can say, store it in the refrigerator. Repeat. Store it in the refrigerator. Now, let me ask you something. Are you repeating these sentences aloud, or are you only listening? To improve your English, you must speak. So, let us practice 3 powerful sentences together. I will finally chop the vegetables. Let the soup simmer for 10 minutes. Please keep an eye on the stove. Break time equals 0. 5s/. Say them again by yourself. Now our dinner story is ending. The family sits together, the table is set, and everyone is smiling. Cooking is not only about food. It is also about communication. When you use natural English in daily life, your confidence grows and your fluency improves. You upgraded many sentences today. Instead of basic English, you learned real kitchen English that fluent speakers use. Imagine using these sentences in real life in a cooking class, while traveling, or even in an English exam speaking test. Before we finish, I have a small challenge for you. In the comments, write 3 advanced kitchen sentences that you remember from this video. Writing helps your memory become stronger. If this lesson helped you, please like this video. Share it with a friend who wants to improve English. Subscribe to this channel for more practical English lessons that you can use in real life. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and I will see you in the next lesson.